Now let's have a look at the cash flow management strategy of factoring. So when might this strategy be needed? Remember, we're going to need cash flow management strategies when we have a cash shortage. And this particular strategy is going to help to speed up the timing of inflows. So what is the strategy of factoring? Factoring involves the sale of accounts receivable or debtors at a discount to a third party such as a finance company or specialist factoring firm who then collects the account. So how does it help improve cash flow? It helps by giving that immediate cash inflow, which then is going to increase the cash balance and mean the business can pay its debts without having to have the cost or risk associated with borrowing funds to do that and covering the shortfall. So what are the benefits of using this strategy? Well, it's going to give a guaranteed immediate access to a cash inflow, usually within 48 hours of the debt being sold. It's also going to help the business by reducing the time and costs associated with collecting payments from customers, particularly if those customers are slow to pay. However, there are some difficulties in using this strategy. Remember, the debts are actually sold at a discount, so the business does not receive the full value of the account. And secondly, there is potential damage that could be done to the relationship with customers, because remember, that account is now collected by the third party and the business has no control over the techniques that they're actually going to use to ensure that debt is paid. So in summary, what is this strategy? It's all about selling accounts receivable at a discount to a third party who then collects them. It's going to have the benefit of giving the business immediate access to that cash inflow and prevents them having the financial risk or cost of having to borrow funds to cover any cash shortages. But remember, the business does not receive the amount in full and has no control over how those debts will be collected from customers.